Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign into the exact Google account that holds the Drive files you'll change. Once signed in, open Google Drive in a desktop browser because settings and integrations are easiest there. Make sure you know whether Gmail is linked via add-ons or file attachments. This matters for the next steps. Now navigate to Settings, gear icon, and then to Manage Apps or Notifications to locate Gmail-related permissions. This is where you begin the removal process. You'll now locate and remove the Gmail integration itself. From Settings, open Manage Apps or Connected Apps and scan the list for Gmail entries, mail add-ons, or third-party apps that route messages into Drive. Click the app options and choose Disconnect or Remove. Confirm when prompted. If Drive stores Gmail attachments, decide whether to delete or move those files. Once removed, they may be gone. Make sure to check account-level Google Workspace add-ons if you don't see Gmail listed locally. Finish by refreshing Drive and clearing your browser cache so the changes show. Then verify in Gmail settings that any Drive add-ons or attachments integrations are disabled. Also review Google account permissions at Permissions. Google.com to ensure nothing remains authorized. If Drive still shows Gmail-linked items, sign out, sign back in, and repeat the disconnect steps. Sometimes a reauthorization loop clears stale links. If problems persist, use Google's support tools or your admin console to revoke app access at the account level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.